Welcome back. A few years ago, I was a participant in a meeting and saw what I would consider one of the worst practices in kicking it off. The first thing this facilitator said was, "Hey, I want to let you know that we're probably going to get out of here at 3 o'clock today." Now, while some of you may say, "Well, that sounds great. That would get them excited." As a facilitation best practice, this is actually one of the worst things you can do. Let me talk about what the best practices are for kicking off a meeting with impact. And as a general rule, it's this: start with the most important things first. So what's the most important thing in a meeting? Basically, it's why are we here and what are we going to have when we're done? What's our purpose? And what are our deliverables? And then once you do that, really make sure you share with your participants what's in it for them. What's their personal objective? Not what's the corporate, business, or organizational impact, but why do they care? Why do they want to invest their time in this meeting? Once you've done that, you can then extend that and make sure they're clear about what their role is in this meeting. Basically, it's probably one of two things. They're either there to provide input or to make decisions. And it's very, very important for them and you to know what that role is. Once you've gone through all of that, I'd say it's a great time at this point to cover the agenda. How do you plan to get from where they are today to where they need to be at the end, step by step by step? From there, it's really a great approach to take personal objectives that they may have and hook them into the agenda. Again, just to reinforce that what they want to cover is in fact going to be covered. And then, and only then, talk about the housekeeping. Talk about when the breaks are, when the lunches are, where the fire escapes are. And oh, by the way, if you think they're going to get out early that day, let them know now. If you follow those steps in that order, I can pretty much guarantee you that you will create an environment where your participants are engaged and involved right from the start. I hope this helps. Thank you.